So, siguro before we end, ang last na pag-usapan na lang natin is nutrition. Maybe nutrition mistakes that you've done in the past na ngayon, alam mo na kung anong dapat gawin. Who wants to start?
Well, sa nutrition, it's always kanya-kanya yan. It doesn't mean na nag-mag-work kay Coach Jumbo or kay Coach Roel, it's mag-work sa akin. It's kanya-kanya yan. So, you have to practice it, no? Sa trainings, no? Before doing it or gawin mo sa race day. So yun.
Wala ka namang naalala na parang memorable na pagkakamali na ginawa mo dati sa nutrition?
Well, ang pagkakamali ko is it's parang yung first time ko siya nagginamit.
Ay, hindi mo pinaka-practice?
During a race.
So, ano nangyari sa'yo, Sal?
Wala. It's nagtae.
Ganun
it's
talaga.
GI.
Actually, na-experience ko yan dati sa whey protein. Kasi hindi sana yung katawan mo.
Ano yun? During competition yan?
Hindi naman. Kasi ang whey protein naman, hindi mo naman, tinatake mo lang yan after workout, di ba? Parang regular meal lang yan. So, yun din. So, eventually, sa first week, medyo parang hindi normal yung yung poop mo.
Yeah.
Pero eventually mag-a-adapt yung body mo na babalik siya sa normal.
Yeah.
So, yun
dahil na-practice mo siya.
Doon ko siya na Pero ako, so far, nag-try ako ng energy gels from Waking Supplements, syempre. Hindi naman ako na-experience ng GI. How about you, Sir Raul?
Well, best advice is really what Coach Abe said. Ang nutrition talaga parang sapatos din yan kanya-kanya.
Yeah.
Diba? What works for me may not work for them, for you. What works for you may not work for me. So kanya-kanya talaga, and you really have, when you're getting into the sport, you really have to find what works for you. Trial and error siya just because I would recommend something doesn't mean you should stick to it.
Yes.
Diba? Hahanapin mo pa rin. Kaya okay din na in waking, we actually brought in a good variety. You have 5 different brands of sports nutrition. And even within the brand, you have different formats. Meron kang liquid, meron kang gels, may solids.
Yeah.
So kasi even that one, yung liquids, gels, saka solids, kanya-kanya din yun eh. Ako, I prefer liquids. Some people, they prefer solids. Kanya-kanya talaga, you choose. So kanya-kanya talaga. You really have to find what works for you. And then you stick to it. Don't follow someone's advice just because he says it will work, it works for him. Hindi, subukan mo, try it for yourself, and then stick to what works for you.
Sa bagay, pag naman nagte-training ka for triathlon, everyday ka naman magte-training. So you'll get to practice it.
Yeah, you get to practice it.
Yung pinaka pagkakamali kasi doon, yung hindi mo nga siya susubukan no? Isa yon. And then at the same time, hindi mo siya pinractice. So, yung isa din na experience, aside from that, yung sa nutrition, kailangan, unang-una kailangan mo i-practice, kailangan hiyang sa'yo. And then, if it doesn't work for you, you try another one, and then until na mag-fit sa'yo. Baka kasi, meron time na hindi lang tama yung timpla, baka kailangan mong bawasan o dagdagan mo.
Or yung frequency.
Or yung frequency din, every 30 minutes o baka pwede siyang every 45 minutes o kailangan yung dilute mo sa water o ano. So it really depends sa practice mo. And then meron pa yan yung talagang scientific, yung mini-measure pa yung sweat rate mo. So kung meron kang resources, gawin mo yung research, di ba? Pero ako, isa sa mga pinaka-mistake ko, a day before, meron akong kinain I think it was in Malaysia. Parang curry na
Maanghang.
Oo, maanghang. And then the next day, nung race day na,
Antay
ako sa race. So, hindi ako sanay dun sa type of food na yon. Tapos, dahil it was there in the restaurant, kinain mo. So, yun. Isa sa mga number one lesson sa akin yan. Not necessarily sa nutrition, sa race.
Ingat ka
ha?
sa mga kakainin mo the day before.
No new foods.
No new foods.
Isa sa mga number one. Kasi,
Wala nang creamy paminsan.
oo. Di ba, you're in a foreign country. Minsan, kung nag-race ka sa Europe or sa Asia and everything, minsan may ibang food na sarap eh.
Actually, lalo na sa Asia.
Asia, oo.
Kasi iba-ibang cuisine. Di ba?
Oo.
Oo.
Yung iba nga, baka hindi pa, meron ibang maselan eh, hindi kakain ng meat o hindi kakain ng ano. Basta, kung ano lang yung sanay mong kinakain, like a day before, or at least yung race week, marami na akong narinig na ganyan, o na food poison. Na ano, diba?
Yeah. Or yung ano din, ako mistake ko dati, heavy breakfast on race day.
Oh, yan.
Tama.
So-
Hindi dapat yun.
Hindi dapat.
All three, kayong lahat, sir, kumakain kayo before a race.
Yes.
Light breakfast.
Yes, like, yeah.
What is light for you guys?
Ako yari, bananas, tapos yogurt. Yun. Kung may fruits, tapos yogurt or oatmeal. Yun. Tapos energy drink. Hindi energy drink na na may taurine. Yung carbs.
So kung mga 6 a.m. yung race, anong oras kayo kumakain?
Very light, siguro kahit 4.
4 a.m.
Oo.
kumakain na
4
kayo.
a.m.
Kahit a piece of bread,
Yeah.
may konting
Peanut
butter
butter.
o peanut butter. And then isang kahit kalahating banana lang. As in light na light. Ang iniiwasan mo dun yung yung magtatai ka eh.
Oo.
Saka yung mabigat yung pakiramdam
Oh, yung
mo.
mabigat yung stomach mo yun, yung mga so
I see.
Dapat,
and a week like maybe 2 days before mo na.
Carb load? Nagka-carb load ba kayo?
Carb load eh. Pabawasan mo na yung karne na mahirap i-digest.
Yes.
Like yung beef, ganyan. Kasi mahirap yan i-digest eh. No? Maybe mas madaling i-digest yung chicken
72
or...
yeah,
hours.
fish.
Oo. Yung fish.
Yeah.
Di ba? Babawasan mo din ng mga greens.
So, yung heaviest meal mo dapat mga like lunch the day before.
Yun.
Yun yung
So
heaviest
dinner,
meal.
hindi na rin sobra.
Hindi sobra.
So may konting fast siya. Pero hindi ideal yung tomorrow magre-race and then meron kang malaking steak sa harap mo, no? I-save mo na lang yun after the race.
After the race.
Parang nga yan eh. Parang hindi ka sluggish, no?
Yes.
Oo.
And hindi mo naman kasi siya gagamitin eh. Actually, baka gagamit pa siya ng energy.
Yung
para
protein.
I-burn.
Para i-digest.
Para i-digest yung kinain mo.
Oo.
Di ba?
Tama.
Oo. Isa din yun sa mga learnings na uy, may race bukas, mag-steak ka, di ba? Kasi kailangan mo yan.
Carbo load ka.
Laki ng pasta mo.
Pero
Yung
usually,
sakto
hindi
lang.
yun yung gagamitin mo.
Yeah. Yun yung mga myths
Yung
noon.
gagamitin mo yung lunch.
Yeah.
Di ba?
The day
Day
before.
Yeah.